God show our blessings upon me. And send me fit, and that's how I mean to give him the glory.
So right now, my G's, you don't know, so me there. It's a new day, it's a new vlog. You know what I mean? Right now, the pre is supermarket. Go supermarket, go get some water. Couple things needed in the house. So, yeah, we are about to go supermarket right now. And then figure out the rest of the day, you know what I mean? But yeah, what they are journey with me. Just changing a day. Do it for the vlog shot. Remember, shirts are out right now. The link to the shirts I got in the bio. Show us right the scene of him.
Stop all like you ever go far. Good boy. Boy, you ever go far. Too much oil in it.
It's about that piece.
Good boy. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Sit. Who for 7 months old? 7 months, you know? 7 months. Yeah, not tough. 7. Come here. Show YouTube say you're a star. Come. You're tired. You're tired now. You're tired.
Blue boss, blue tired.
He's gone, man. He's gone again. He's gone again.
People him slightly mad, you know.
Hey, not dirty up yourself. No, you shouldn't be there.
So yeah, we're there right now. We're about to go link Alfred. You know what I mean? And then that's where the day go. You understand?
Kick in.
No, so me hope me this until he come out.
We're about to go link Alfred.
Alfred! You know, that's me.
So right now we're there. Just come link Alfred. We just pull up, so probably touch out on the one here later. People, I don't know if you remember, but the last time I did that Florida and dip on one of them bike here. Last time I did that Florida and dip on one of them bike here. I'm going to show you right now what happened. I'm going to play the video right now. I want to go see what going on.
We just find out Okim go jet skiing without we. You see it? That's how I know him stay now. We did supposed to go jet ski.
Yo, who do you?
The other day.
Why you not like it?
Say, you go see out the bike and go and call. If you never come over here, you wouldn't know.
But you see, I eat fish, you know.
Yeah. So me know that's why I never invite you. Because me know you don't consume fish. We don't say me I cook chicken for you. No, but me I cook chicken for you.
Cook chicken.
Yeah.
Make sure you go on.
And we
Not
get
chicken back.
And we get for if we cook chicken for you, not chicken back, chicken. And we get for
yeah, man.
Right now we are about to go to the supermarket to buy some chicken instead of chicken back because we going in that baby. Get where you get. Right now Alfred is here washing cars.
Can't tell you the solution.
How are that? Pints all it mix up in here.
Straight to the left and I bounce back.
No, it's all kind of dead Bluetooth box.
I tell you, go take out the big one. Right?
Right.
Wash and dry.
Wash and dry.
A chamois that? Chamois? You don't know chamois? Chamois. Who teach you to wash car?
Nobody.
You just learn by yourself?
Detail the car myself.
Right.
You know, say some car wash people just, you know, they come like this.
Right now we're there in a Brappos.
Oh shit, we see a vlog.
So I watched over here, so.
Some kind of surgery or pills?
We're up on schedule right now. We're about for cash out. Like a thief in thief. Like a thief in thief. Just I leave supermarket right now. I go back to the crib. Get everything we need to get. Chicken back mackerel. Yeah, Nathan? Just reaching from supermarket. Bringing the grocery to them right now. Yeah, Nathan? Right now, I'm not sure what I cook for dinner yet, but as the night get nighty, we're gonna figure it out. Yes. Morning. About to let out Blue, feed him right now, and then prepare for breakfast. It look like it's about to rain, so I'm gonna do this quick. Right now, I'm there. Out the door, overcast right now. You can tell the rain I go fall. It look like rain I go fall. Right now, I feel like I go sick. Chabas get sick, and Candy get sick. Me a whole lot. Me a try not to get sick. Me a try my best not to get sick. I go drink some orange juice right now. Yo, I wonder if you remember when Chabas and Blue the out here play. How out here they stay. The man them forward yesterday, and the man them said them a trim up some tree. Trim up, you know. Trim, they said them a trim up some tree. And like a Mexican man. Me said I go slap the man in the head back, you see my youth. Me jeez, tell me how the man them come around here and cut down nearly half of the tree and talk about trim up tree in a couple limb. The man they left 2 limb on the tree. Me I shown you the tree before, and then I go show you how the tree look right now. Look at the tree. Me jeez, pretty tree. Look where man them left. 2 limb. Watch out. 2 limb. Out the door feel like Callaloo weather. I just get the country vibes there, you know what I mean? So for breakfast, I go prepare some Callaloo and boiled dumpling. Probably throw a piece of Irish in it and some Callaloo and saltfish. You understand? I'm not lie too, no? You see, every time I use one of them here, coconut milk or Aki, down to the Callaloo I'm about to go cook right now. You see, every time I use one of them products in a tin, I feel like I let myself down, I let down some farmer Jamaica. This not right. Because I know to them some are foolishness. A tin, Aki in a tin, coconut milk in a tin, Callaloo in a tin. Come on, really? Me they are foreign and kill up myself to get everything what uno have a Jamaica good and fresh. I wanna that Jamaica kill up on yourself to come a foreign. And you know what the biggest thing is this when you come a foreign? When you go kill up on yourself for go back to Jamaica, and when you go kill up on yourself for get everything when they have a Jamaica.
What?
My girl. My girl.
What can't KJ do?
My girl, she have a wine on me like. Take time on me like my girl. She have a wine on me like.
You see this? When you see this at Jamaica more wild, no for only too hype. No for only no want to drink syrup. Only too hype. Not even syrup only no want to drink. You see me when me there? When me see this in a supermarket, to me glad. Right, the first thing me grab up. Never left me syrup. No matter where me go, me never left me syrup. And when me reach heaven, me know God have syrup up there for me.
She no mess with Bayman. She's no touch, she no mess with Bayman. My girl, she have a wine on me like. Take time on me like my girl. She have a wine on me like. Slow down on me like my girl. She have a wine on me like. Take time on me like my girl. She have a wine on me like. Slow down on me like my girl. Let me tell her this, no girl, me never give me out like this. The way you move and you turn and twist, Lord God, me swear me love this. Your cute little face with your pretty little lips. Move up your waistline, show off your hips. Be a man a pray when you go on like this. Y'all take the video like show you a A-list. My girl, she have a wine on me like. Take time on me like my girl. She have a wine on me like. Slow down on me like my girl. She have a wine on me like. Take time on me like my girl. She have a wine on me like. Slow down on me like my. You have the wine where I win. Enough Girl I try but them can't do a thing. You whining tough like a carry gym. You better than Keisha, better than King. You know come here so fi joking ain't a ramping. Cause I like it rough, you love your spanking. Forget you God, every day me thank him. Just brace it up on the long thing. Like oh you a whine up on the long thing. Them girl they a chat, them can't do a thing.
Right now the dumpling and the potato are boiled down. All we left for do now is callaloo for just finish steam and we're good to go. But while all of this are going, I just go left on with a LTS video. A video I do on the LTS channel. I go insert it right now. If you watch it, you can go follow the LTS page. Remember, just type in LTS or Laugh to Success. Because we have countless videos on the pages. So.
You see you? You always so wicked, you know.
Oh, my wicked.
We follow you come here, yard
Right,
gate. And we buy your food.
Alright, you got the food to buy me? Yeah, full. Thanks for looking red. Alright, later I'm a friend.
Yeah,
Good day. Later, that's the one.
Go on, man. Yo, call me anytime again, you know.
Anytime.
Yeah, man. Me say if you ever call back our phone and invite her now back at me again, you see.
Why?
No invite her back at me. Go on up, me about to go drop off.
Me not go no way.
Me say
Me a follow back at you.
me just say,
Wherever you're going, me know what you're doing. Me know what you're doing.
what you mean you know me I
Me
do?
know say you're a drug dealer. Me a come with you.
Shut your mouth. Who you know say me a drug?
Don't worry about it. Me see everything about one. Me a come with you. Go on where you go.
Just go on and make me go drop
No,
off.
me say me a come.
Me no know them money and
Me
me no
too
want.
how we are go. Me
Me no-
not going without you.
Then something me serious that way you think, you know.
Me no business.
Come on, man. Chat
Right.
chat too much.
Yo, dad. What the man in there?
How we are do that? I hide ya hide.
Brother, remember you live a foreign, you know, me no stay like you in a foreign. Oh, me I say, brother, from a come a foreign, me no get none of that good something, I need some of that. To the wedding man there.
You're easy yourself, the matter of
Brother, all I know we there, so.
My link never this.
Brother, we are waiting long time, you know.
Easy,
Post
man.
police come, brother.
So them not get some too. Yeah, easy, no man. They're good, man.
What we are dealing with? That man.
I'm 5 to 10 pounds.
No, man. What that brown in here? Stay.
Easy on yourself, man. I mean that man. I mean that man.
The boss, man.
Yeah, say man.
Feel this.
Hey, Rapper, check out the thing, I'm gonna make sure everything there, no?
Everything in
How
there?
much pound in there?
Hey, the one to ask for them and you when I go answer, man. We didn't even have to check it.
Yeah, man, look proper still. You could clean it up, man.
Yeah, must see chicken back looks so good.
Watch out, look all them new media.
John, what that yellow Jackman product? Jesus, peace, man, don't do that, man.
Hey, good man. Just need to
Yo,
vinegar
that
and
go
man.
vinegar it up, man. Yeah,
Yo.
man, sitting, man.
So
Yo,
that's
big up
good.
yourself,
Yeah, man, big up on yourself. Remember to cash up me money, you know.
That was our workplace. What that you really just a while ago? A chicken back in there foreign yourself?
Well on, what? So well on, what you think me yourself?
Me could have swear say you want drug dealer.
Drugs?
Me do you think say my man is a big drug dealer?
You must figure jail. Me yourself drugs in a foreign thing.
So let me ask you one more thing. All of them sitting here where you buy me. Chicken back money?
Business is booming.
Hold on, Debbie.
So well on, you really think a chicken back?
Come on, mama, no come back.
You see that people, you see how video and work as when you don't watch that food done. So right now, I go share right now, I go share my food, consume it, and I go just upload this so now have something for watching at the meantime, you know what I mean? Because as me always tell you, as I'm done, I upload this, the next vlog starts so I can get it again in a few days, you know what I mean? So yeah, we're there and we are it, and I'm out.
My girl, she have a wine when me like. Take time when me like my girl. She have a wine when me like.